So I will pull out the new trade tracker version. So this is the new trade tracker which has already been shared with members. Okay. So like we were discussing Apollo tire, right? So suppose we'll take Gold EM, not Apollo tire, because Apollo tire is too new. So we just have to paste the code here, and you can see the qualitative and not the qualitative, only the quantitative information has come. And R in bracket means recommended, A means actual. So when you purchase Gold EM, just enter your price, enter your quantity. Say you bought 1,000 quantities, and enter your buy price. Okay. Suppose you bought bought it at 400. Okay, I can see the prices here, right? So suppose I bought it at 136. Okay. Now I need to input my actual corpus right at the top. So always make sure that this actual corpus is your correct corpus. So right now I'm trading with around, say, 18 lakh rupees, right? And rounding it off a little bit is fine. So 18 lakh rupees is what I have. So I will add the stock, I will add my quantity. Okay, so recommended quantity also I can see is around 667 to 1334 for my total corpus. So remember we were doing that calculation on the basis of with the calculator. If you are an annual subscriber of the elite or the exclusive plans, then you get this trade tracker also. Now it's a customized trade tracker, and it's a customized trade tracker, and you can basically see that when you input your corpus amount, you'll be able to see the quantity automatically calculated. So you don't have to go in. Now I can see that I want to make say a down, like a lump sum payment. So I'll buy, say, 1,300 stocks in one go at the price of 136. All right. Now the profit and loss automatically gets calculated for me. Whenever there is a new activity in the stock and the current status of the stock, that again shows up right here. How much money has been invested shows up right here. And suppose the target of the stocks get achieved. So I exit at 180, for example, at whatever date. Okay. So for the date, you can always, one good keyboard shortcut to add the dates for the buy and sell is Control and colon. You can press that and your date will get executed. You can also double click it, and then suppose you want to enter old date, so just double click it and you can change that. Okay. Now when you do that, you see the profit and loss. Okay, I will check this out. But you can see the profit and loss, and your annualized profits automatically get updated. There seems to be some error in this, but it's okay. It's a formula error. I will get to the end of it. So what will you do if you've not sold the, if you've not, oh, this is the reason why it was showing wrong, because I entered the sale date in the sale price. Suppose I sold it at the target, which is, say, 170. So I sold it at 170. So the profit is 25% and the profit amount is 44,000 on my total investment of 1,76,000. Okay. But suppose I have not closed that yet, and there is a new stop loss revision at 133. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my stop loss and I'm going to tick mark the checkbox. Or if you see that you already have a position in Gold EM and you can see this purple, see if it's shining purple, it means that this is a relatively more recent update. When the update becomes old, then the color, it continues to remain white. So for example, let's see ITC. Okay, ITC have not given a update in the recent time, so I will put ITC, and the moment I enter the buy date, the green coloration goes, and you can see that because the update is old, the color looks white. So whenever there is a new update, it will automatically turn to purple, which means you have a thing to do. And there is also a checkbox, so you should always make sure that you're on top of keeping this check in place on your stop losses, because if you're not being disciplined in trading, then you may as well not trade.